In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files in Microsoft Teams. This quick and simple process makes collaboration much easier, letting you and your colleagues exchange documents without leaving the app. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the Microsoft Teams website. When the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. Log in using your Microsoft account details. Take a moment to enter your information carefully and make sure your internet connection is stable. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can fully use Microsoft Teams, and once that's set up, come back to sign in. After you're signed in, you'll land on the main Teams dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Chat. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations are stored, and it's the ideal place to quickly send documents to the people you're working with. Open a chat with the person you want to share a file with. You can start a new conversation or continue an existing one by selecting the contact from your list. Once the chat window is open, you're ready to attach your file. Look toward the bottom of the chat box for the paperclip icon. This is the attachment button. Click the paperclip and a small menu will pop up. From the options shown, choose Upload from this device. This tells Teams you want to pull a file directly from your computer. A File Explorer window will appear, letting you browse your folders. Navigate to where your file is saved, select the file you want to share, and click Open. Most common file types are supported, and it's helpful to pick a clearly named file so the recipient knows exactly what they're receiving. You'll see the file appear in the chat draft while it uploads. Give it a moment to finish. Larger files may take longer depending on your connection. Once the upload is complete, you can add a short message for context if you'd like, then send it just like a regular message. The recipient will be able to access and download the file right away, making collaboration fast and convenient. If they're online, they'll usually see it instantly, and you'll keep everything neatly organized within that conversation. And that's all there is to it. Uploading and sharing files in Microsoft Teams is straightforward, efficient, and perfect for keeping your work moving. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.